Old Celtic Farmer here. I hope that freeze didn't hurt you guys too much. You can see that I bought some of these clear tarps, put it over my Hawaiian guava. Got my apple trees covered, my loquats. I'm going to be buying some more of these. That's really nice. I got them from Amazon, and it actually allows me to go ahead and leave them covered, and when the sun comes out, the plants can still get light. My other apple trees. I went ahead and I pulled this one off of my pear and my plum, but you can see how these tarps here are a whole lot better to use. Cover them up. Another clever idea here at Old Celtic Farmer. And hey, by the way, check out our main website at cherus.com. That's C-H-E-R-R-U-S. Cherus.com. That's C-H-E-R-R-U-S.com. Hope to see you soon.